I'm not trying to ruin your fun. You're just a little bit late. I wish you were Jimmy's mom. There's this feeling I can't shake, cause I'm too dumb. Never doing the right thing, so I'm so stuck. If you see me out in retro, I might say hi. But maybe at the general level, I'm a talkative guy. Maybe we'll talk over croissants around lunchtime. And I've never been to the Annie, so it might be nice. But I can't take the pregnancy, oh gee. It's like the alien's always out and always probing me. Jimmy's always making me wait. He does not care what I think. I always carry this weight, but I can't go see my shrink. I feel like I'm running away from the pain I feel every day. It just won't go away. I got hypochondriasis and I'm not fine. And Jimmy's always running tests that will make me cry. I just want somebody that won't leave my side. But I always feel so alone no matter what I try. Even when I chill with Jimmy and G, I just can't stop thinking about Judy. In the end, will they remember me? Or will I fade away from their memory? I just want to make a true friend. Is that so hard? I just want what she has with Ultra Lord.
Rest in peace, Wi-Fi skeleton. Rest in peace, Etika. Rest in peace, Michael Jackson. Rest in peace, Robin Williams. And rip in peace, comic book 616 Spider-Man. He does not deserve the treatment he's getting. Free my boy. Give me Ultimate Spider-Man back.